Let's get your Optimum mobile voicemail set up. First, we'll cover setting up your PIN and personalized greeting. Your PIN is a 4 to 6 digit code that keeps your voicemail secure, preventing unauthorized access. You can set this up either through the Optimum mobile app or by dialing sheet 86 from your Optimum phone and following the voice prompts. Next, personalize your greeting. This is what callers will hear when you can't answer. You can record a personal message up to 30 seconds long within the Optimum app's voicemail section. The app even offers AI-generated greeting options if you're feeling creative. Remember to choose a PIN you won't forget and record a clear, friendly greeting to make a great impression. Now, let's enable Visual Voicemail (VVM) for a more modern voicemail experience. Visual Voicemail displays your voicemails as text transcripts and playable audio in a list view, eliminating the need to dial in. This feature requires downloading the Optimum mobile app from the App Store or Google Play and logging in with your Optimum ID. Then, navigate to the Voicemail tab and follow the prompts to enable VVM. A key benefit of Optimum's VVM is the AI-powered automatic transcription, providing 95% accuracy. Keep in mind that VVM requires an active Optimum mobile plan, a compatible device, and internet connection. With VVM, you can quickly scan your messages and prioritize responses, saving you time and effort.